Good morning, students. I, I am Prabdeep Singh, your political science teacher, and today we will discuss one of the very important questions from your political science. And the question is why rights are important. Students, here we will discuss about the rights, not about the specific right like fundamental rights or legal rights or economic rights. Here we will talk about the rights as a common. Why these rights are important. The first point, to lead the life of respect and dignity. Students, as you know that our government or the government of any country provide the rights to the people like economic rights, social rights, cultural rights, and through that only the people can lead a respectful life. These rights protect the dignity of a person. Due to these rights only the people can do lot of things. The main thing is that you can see in the second paragraph, due to rights citizens enjoy the right to express themselves freely in different way, to be creative and original. Suppose that if the government provide or if the country of the constitution of the country provide right to speech to the people, only after that the people can express their views and to be creative and original. In short, students, you can say that rights help one to develop one own potential and skill, because when the government of the country provides some freedoms to the students, to the people, not students, to the people, after that the people can develop their own potential, because no one can you can say that inculcate the skills in a room. They need some uh, freedoms to do this thing. Due to these rights the people can criticize the work of the government. Suppose that a government do some wrong work or make some wrong policies which are not good for the people. At that time, due to these rights the people can protest against the government or criticize the work of the government if the work is not good. In short, you can say that at every step of the life these rights are necessary for the entire world, like right to livelihood, freedom of expression, economic right, cultural rights, social rights, legal rights. Without these rights we cannot imagine a life. You see, it's not like a democracy system without these rights. If we want to establish democracy in the country, in short, these rights are very important. Students, you can answer this question in your own wording. It's okay. Suppose that if the question comes 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks, you can answer in your own wording, but the theme should be same. Like, these rights are very important at every step of life. We need these rights. These rights help us to do lot of work in the society. Thank you.